Hey, what's up guys? Adam here from the Tint Academy. I'm just here in Montreal running our course, and we have a lot of beginners that come through our course. And when I see 5 major common mistakes with everybody that comes through that tried to window tint in the past. Now here are my 5 top common mistakes that you can avoid if you're trying to get into window tinting or you're currently a new beginner at tinting windows. My first common mistake is window prep. A lot of window tinters when they're first new, they don't put that time and effort to prep the windows. A dirty window is going to equal a dirty install. So make sure that window is prepped, cleaned properly. Now we have a ton of videos of how to properly assess and clean those windows. Next is going to be the cut pressure. I see a lot of window tinters, their cuts are sloppy. Sloppy cuts are going to lead to a sloppy install. No one wants to roll down their window and see a top edge cut that's wavy, uneven, and looks like a dog that chewed it. So again, we do have a video. You can look down in the comments of how to properly cut the top edge in all the windows on that. Next is going to be proper customer expectation. This is setting your customers' expectations up. There's no such thing as a perfect window ever. Unless we're in a NASA enclosed chamber with zero airflow, you're not going to get a perfect window ever. Our job is to strive to get the best perfect window that you can do, but it's also setting your customers' expectations up to what to expect when they pick up their video or their car. This is from dry time, cure time, moisture, humidity in the windows, and what to expect. Third is going to be not proper shrinking. You always need to shrink every single window. This is going to help proper install, and it's also going to help when the window shifts, that window moves, that film can move with it. It's also going to affect the longevity of that window film as well, where it's not going to crack, it's not going to bubble, it's going to look on that car for a long period of time. Last but not least is speed. So I see a lot of beginners, they want to make a ton of money. It's not just about speed with your window tint installs. When you first take a course, it's going to take you a little bit longer to get that. Our job is quality over quantity. We want a quality job versus quantity where we're getting a ton of jobs out. Focus, slow down, take time on that customer's car, don't rush it. I see a lot of new beginners, they get frustrated, they try to rush. Give yourself time in between appointments to allow for a proper, clean install. Now we have videos on all this, so you'll see every video in the comments section. We want to hear from you guys. What are you struggling with? We can help you out. Send us an email, adam@tint.academy. If you're a beginner, these are my 5 common mistakes I see from beginners that are affecting proper installs on the windows. Thanks guys.
It's caught in the crossfire.